Morning fellas on YouTube. Just an update on the TAC216 pin problem I'm having. I decided to dig into the IPLs and the manuals here. So this thumb is an aftermarket thumb by Tag out of Tennessee, I believe, along with the coupler and the bucket. And up until a certain serial number, these Takeuchi TB216s did not have a relief valve set on the auxiliary circuit. And if you look just inside there, you can actually access this one with a 6mm Allen key and adjust your relief valve setting. And the backside is much more difficult. I actually had to take off a couple of hoses, not because I needed to, but I actually needed to clean out the hex to be able to get a cut down hex key in. And I'm using a 1/4 inch ratcheting wrench to make my adjustments. Anyway, I think part of my problem was I had all 3000 PSI go into the thumb circuit, which could overpower the bucket and then hence snapping the main pin. I'm still going to do the mod where I have the solid pin and the grease circ installed on the dipper stick, so I can inject grease right into the between the bushings. There's a spacer between the bushings. We'll drill through that as well, just so that we can ensure that the grease gets into the cavity. Otherwise, the relief pressure is set. Actually, I'll just start it up and demonstrate it. So you can just hear that bypass of the relief valve there when I pull the thumb all the way back. And that setting is on the outboard side of the valve bank. And the one to relieve the pushing action, or the piston side, not the annulus side of the cylinder, is on the inboard side of the valve bank. So I'll push the thumb all the way down and you can hear the relief. It's on the relief valve right now, so it's probably set around 2500 PSI. So we'll spool up here to get the maximum flow. And then with my foot off the thumb control, you'll see that I can easily overpower the thumb, and it just builds up to the point where I can overpower it. But I've built in quite a bit of cushioning there, so that I think that I'll reduce the chances of snapping that pin again. Anyway, so we'll get this all buttoned up here and I'll make my new pin. I picked up some induction hardened chrome bar this morning, 30 mil. And as you can see right there, there's the inboard relief valve that you need to adjust so that you don't keep snapping pins. And what I've done is I've just got a hex key installed in there, so all I got to do is just tighten up that jam nut with a 17 mil wrench and button on this thing back up, and it will be good to go. I'll get that pin done today, and we'll also drill out that hole for the greaser. Still on the fence whether I'm going to do one right there, which would be super easy to grease, but at the same time too super easy to knock off. But I can't really see anything building up in there to the point where I could, get a stick in there and breaking something off. I think I'll do that side. Anyways, there's the update. We'll give this a go. And like I said, I got lots more work for it. Lots more work on my property, cleaning things up, and then a whole ton of work for clients. So this will get lots of exercise over the next couple of months, just to ensure that this is the right fix for the problem. All right, thanks for watching.